This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making black pepper chicken chop. Go to any western store or hawker center and you'll find black pepper chicken chop on their menu. But not all stores make good black pepper chicken chop. There should be some amount of char on the surface of the chicken for that smoky flavour. And the black pepper sauce should give you that healthy dose of peppery punch. This black pepper chicken recipe will do just that. But, of course, you can adjust the level of heat to your preference.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
I have here 2 boneless chicken thighs, about 200 grams each. Marinate with 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Set it aside to marinate for 2 hours. If you are like me and you cannot wait, you can just fry it now. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil over high heat. Fry the chicken skin side down first. Now lower the heat to medium. Make sure the pan is hot enough or the chicken will stick. Or you can just use a non-stick pan. Fry for 5 minutes till you get a nice crust on the skin. Turn the chicken over and fry the other side for about 4 minutes. When done, pour away the oil, leaving about 2 tablespoons behind. Over low heat, fry 1 teaspoon of coarsely ground pepper for about 10 to 20 seconds. You can adjust the amount of black pepper here according to your taste preference. Turn up the heat to medium and fry the finely chopped onions and garlic till it's fragrant. Add in 200 ml of water. To this, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Bring this to a boil and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the cornstarch slurry by mixing together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 3 tablespoons of water. Before thickening the sauce with the cornstarch slurry, taste and adjust the sauce to your preference in terms of the pepperiness, the saltiness, and the sweetness. Turn off the heat to bring the sauce off the boil. Add in half of the cornstarch slurry. Stir and bring the sauce back to a boil. Adjust the thickness of the sauce by adding more cornstarch slurry or more water accordingly. Just before serving, spoon the black pepper sauce over the chicken. This is black pepper chicken chop.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.